Okay, so we are asked at t equals, what was it again? Oh, pi over 4. Is the particle moving toward the origin or is the particle moving away from the origin? And so, in order to be able to answer this question, I actually need to know both the position and velocity. Now, the reason why is, for example, we've got the origin here, and in this example, we are moving up and down along a y-axis. And so if I am above the origin and velocity is positive, so this is velocity positive, I'd be moving away from the origin. If velocity was negative, I'd be moving toward the origin. However, if I am below the origin, my position, and if velocity is negative, then I'd be moving away from the origin. But if velocity is positive, then I would be moving toward the origin. So we first have to find the location, the position of the particle at pi over 4. So we have pi over 4 squared times tangent of 1 over pi 4, which is, oh dear, it's not pi over 4, isn't it? It's 4 over pi. Sorry, guys, I hope that isn't too disturbing. 4 over pi. 4 over pi. 4 over pi. Did I catch all of those? Okay, here we go. So it'd be 1 over 4 over pi, which ends up being pi over 4. So if I evaluate this, I get, 16 over pi squared, which is a positive number, and tangent of pi fourth is 1. So we can see that y of 4 over pi is greater than 0. So we're located above the origin. Now, if I look at the velocity at 4 over pi, I don't know why I have this random slide here. Delete, there we go. Then I would have 2 times 4 over pi, and then we have times tangent of its reciprocal, which would be pi over 4, minus secant of the reciprocal, which is pi over 4, and the whole thing is squared. Did you know that when they put the squared there, that means the whole expression is squared? So let me simplify here. I get 8 over pi, tangent of pi fourth is 1, minus, okay, so secant of pi fourth, so that's 1 over cosine. So we know cosine of pi fourth is radical 2 over 2. So then secant of pi fourth is 2 over radical 2. And then that's squared. So I get 8 over pi minus, that would be 4 over 2, which is 2. So 8 over pi minus 2. And that value, 8 over pi minus 2. So 8 divided by 3, so it's a little bigger than 2. So then this is also going to be greater than 0. So since the particle is located above the origin, at t equals 4, t equals 4 over pi, and velocity at 4 over pi is greater than 0, the particle is moving away from the origin. Phew! That was a doozy. It's moving away. Fantastic. From the origin. The sentence that never ends. Here we go. We're going to end this, folks, from the origin. Okay, it's ended.